Wala bafowethu kunjani? Umbono lo abamaziyo bamazi ngonto zabantu. Nani niyazi bafowethu angihambi ngedwa. Ngihamba no
Sheba fethu kunjani Kamara Mintini Focus Well Mswati lo mnanzi. This is Football Fusion sibuyile. It's been a while bafethu. It's been a while. A lot has been happening.
A lot has
So
been happening.
sibuyile ke. Sibuyile mbona. Siqale phezulu.
Let's get to it, guys. We appreciate your support, man. We can't pass that. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep the comments going as well.
Yeah.
It just keeps us going. We even more motivated to release more content. So otherwise, let's get to it. My man.
Sure, Baba.
Let's wrap up the last 8 of the Club World Cup. I want you to give me the predictions.
Against what?
Okay, let's start with Chelsea. I think Chelsea, they are playing tomorrow at 6.
Up against?
They're playing against Palmeiras. Palmeiras is one of Brazilian teams.
It's actually hard to judge that game because yes, as I'm not a Chelsea fan.
Yeah.
So with the Brazilian team, the way I I don't see
the weather conditions.
Yeah. I don't see a Brazilian team losing.
Okay.
So I see Chelsea being eliminated.
Okay.
The worst case scenario could be my penalty, but Bazo is not game in.
Okay, give me a score.
Yo. Hey, this team scores, man. Let's say 2-1.
Okay. 2-1 Chelsea. Moving on to Al Hilal ne Fluminense.
How Baba? Fluminense is winning.
Oh, Fluminense is winning.
That's why it's obvious.
Score?
I can't say the score, but it's winning.
Okay.
Those one they are winning. Fluminense is winning.
Yes. The big one now. The big one. PSG against Bayern.
Yo!
Which one are you rooting for?
I'm fine. I remember first episode I told you I see PSG taking it.
Okay.
You can go to our first video. I told you PSG. But Bayern has to see a time to call. But I think PSG will win.
Okay. So PSG winning.
Yeah.
Do you have a score?
I see a lot of goals. I see a lot of goals. In both teams scoring. Both teams to score, but I see PSG taking it.
Okay. So you don't have a
3-2 could be.
Okay. All right. The last one. Real Madrid against Dortmund. I know this one is a hate.
I don't like Real Madrid, but I'll give them this one.
Okay.
I see them winning it. Roughly 3-1.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. We were hoping to see a Bellingham's brother.
Yeah.
But the guy the younger one, he got a yellow card, so
he's not playing.
He's not playing. It's a pit, but it was gonna be a nice one.
Yeah, it's gonna be a nice one to watch, brother to brother. But yeah, Real Madrid will win that one.
Yeah, Nami. Anyways, I'm a Real Madrid fan, so what can I expect?
I'm trying to be real. Not Madrid. But I'm trying
dropping
to
some pads now.
So yeah, Club World Cup. Yeah, that's my take. That's my take.
That's your take.
Yeah.
All right. Moving on to our local now.
Sabuya.
A lot has been happening.
Hey,
let's start with your team. I'm transfers.
My team.
Yes.
Ethan.
Yeah.
It's Ethan.
Yeah.
It's Shinga. It's Monyane. It's Marco.
Yeah.
It's what's the last one?
What's
the last one?
Flavio
Silva. Yeah, Flavio Silva. Yeah. So with the signings, I mean, okay, let's not speak about Marco and Monyane.
And then we can move on.
Okay, siyabonga ke. Pathani siphanga sikwazile ukupolitika abafana bathi bafana bafuna ukudlala Chiefs. Bafuna ukudlala in a real Soweto team. They want to feel at home. The feeling of being natural. Not of Scotty. No, siyabonga ke siyabonga. So to speak about the three, Ushinga, Uflavo, and then Uchislet, we have nothing to say about them unless we see them play.
Yeah.
To say Chiefs is signing in this guy, I understand it would be unfair. So
I think that's why we have a preseason.
Yes.
So
But
that
if
we
you look
can
at the
maybe
videos
have
on
a
YouTube,
glimpse.
videos,
Who's promising?
all of them they're perfect.
Yeah, ne?
But
Those
now you know
YouTube
with a
clips,
video,
I
you
see.
short clips at
Yes.
because they only show you the good.
Yeah.
They don't show you much at the ball. Bakhomba nje la ukuthi bekenza something. But la ubona khona bekumele pass wanga pass.
Yeah,
They want to
yeah.
show you that. Because
Yeah.
combination ukuthi umuntu bambese ukuthi abe good. But for me with Kaizer Chiefs, I think they are looking for right players.
I think even no coach emphasized that.
Yes, they're looking for the right players. They're not looking for good players. They're looking for, because you could be good enough for Kaizer Chiefs. So they want the right players that will fit maybe the player, the coaches way of playing, the style sake. So not just taking in players because they are doing good in my clubs.
Yeah.
So look at Modi. Modi was number one. It was not
Golden Arrows.
Watenga Pati the coach Chiefs. I think it's Atazwan or something.
Yeah,
it could be, if I'm mistaken. Then yeah. But Modi, the time of Nabi was having it hard. But Nabi more manage the way Kuka their boy.
Yeah, it's actually promising.
Yes, it's promising. So we don't need players whereby Nabi must start cook. We need a player that is ready to play. Look at Lilep. Nobody knew Lilep.
Yeah.
But it's cooking.
So you trust your signings, basically.
As long as the coach wants them.
Okay.
As long as Nabi is happy, now I'm happy.
Now I'm happy because it means that you start a preseason with him. It's not in between. I know even last season you started a preseason with Nabi, but
those players were not even those players were not bought by him.
Implement his philosophy.
Yes.
Now you know his philosophy.
Yes.
He's just adding on to it. Yeah.
So speaking about Nabi and preseason,
I
saw a list from Unplayable. Shout out to Unplayable.
Shout out.
So I've seen this Velebai. Is it Velebai?
Velebai.
Yes,
okay, I saw that.
So it's part of the list of the people that went to Netherlands.
Yes.
Velebai.
Velebai.
Yes. Part of the, but it's not announced.
Yeah. Okay.
And then there's a former super sports striker, Iguodaro. It's there.
Yeah.
So
and also Udlovu.
Yes. So we're cooking, but those people are not announced.
Udlovu, okay, Udlovu hasn't been announced, but he's more confirmed.
Yes.
Because I remember yesterday.
So we are trying to see. So I believe there's a chance when you come back, some players might be let go.
Yeah.
So I'm happy with the signing of Kaizer Chiefs. Yes, we might expected them to sign those players that we like. Because in most recent years, my friends the Chiefs, they was like cool. Sign one man. It never worked. So now let the coach. So let the coach decide that okay, this one will fit the way I want them to play. Let the coach cook.
Okay. So you guys hear him now. He's saying
I don't know, guys, but
the coach
you can comment. If the coach says want to play, leave a comment. Am I wrong or not?
The coach is cooking.
Yes, I know.
That's what I heard.
Kaizer Chiefs fans might be stressed with Besfunumbule, Police. But if okay, out to Marazin, maybe they didn't come. The first one could be the coach don't know how to use them. Don't need them. And then number two is the obvious one. These teams are local. When Kaizer Chiefs is a player, they want big money. That's a fact.
Okay.
So that's not a business move, Belaleo. Exactly.
True. Moving on. I see this one is personal.
For life.
Moving on. I know you were talking about Abombole and Police. Unfortunately, they were taken by your neighbors. What do you make of those signings? In fact, all Pirates signings,
all
11, whole,
12. I think Pirates, because not 11. It's because those players are signed by Pirates. Siawaz.
Yeah.
Siawaz are capable of what?
Yeah.
Some of them. Yes. So it's easy to comment and say, if you look at Pirates, I'll say, I feel like, okay, you guys, you are serious about football this coming season. You guys want to win something big this season. Based on the players that are being signed. So those conversation is different than the Chiefs.
I see.
But honestly, Pirates is cooking.
Pirates, the only position that we didn't fill, it's a centre back and a goalkeeper.
But center back, you have
We
TLB.
do have
You
a
have this
lot.
man Smith,
Unda,
Unda. So
Sesane.
Sesane. So what do
Yeah.
you want?
I see. I'm just
A
saying
keeper,
that
so you don't
two positions.
you don't
Okay,
trust
three.
you don't trust Shy.
Three positions.
Usipha umthembu.
Ngiyamthemba. You don't
Ubutheleza
get my
umthembu.
point. You don't get my
It's
point.
okay. What's your point?
It's like a complete revamp.
Because you yes, oh I
Yes.
get you. You've signed
Yeah.
a new squad,
Yes.
but you just didn't
That's
feel
my
this.
worry,
Okay,
man.
okay.
If you are beefing up the squad, you still use what you have, and then you add new additions that you think.
And then
need.
you also didn't
Yes.
release much like Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs might have released
I mean,
2, 3.
I only know 3, in fact, that were released.
Mayema because Value 7 is a club lead.
Yes.
Umunyano no.
Who else?
Same as Chiefs. That is a matter of few. I don't know what's happening with these teams.
Yeah, maybe we're still gonna.
No, but overall, like I can assure you, you're cooking.
With striking force, I still wish we release some players.
Mabas.
Maybe Mabaso you can keep him, but
Lepasa
for me is
Lepasa, Matoto.
surplus.
Ngathi nimreli career at some point, manje.
No, he's been having some injuries. Even the last season, he had an injury, pre-season, which took him. I think he will recover around Feb. And around that time,
Nakilo Matoto, my career one. Rezanum father. They my free transfer.
So you say,
brother,
yeah. Okay, moving on. Sundowns. We don't see anything happening there. The only rumor we had is about Pasadena, and they don't seem to be agreeing.
But it's Sundowns. I think they came back. They still Sambe Basa evaluate squad.
Okay.
You know, because they have the money.
True.
They can buy you off your contract. So so
yeah,
they have the money.
Yeah, I thought that was a well-oiled machine, to be honest.
I think they just evaluating the squad and ukumbule like the rumors like they say ukuthi uyahamba ushalulile. Yabo, and the rumors ukuthi mhlambi kuzumayela and uPasadena ngapha kunema rumors ukuthi uDivine Lunga might go. So you see, if you look at these rumors,
even no
Ribeiro might go.
They are actually
so they are just looking, but they have a lot of options.
Yeah, sometimes
Chief, if you look at their squad that played good, okay, let's say they're not losing any player. They have that squad that was playing good club World Cup. They still compete.
That's true. That's true.
So,
but Sundowns.
That's why they are quiet. They are cooking behind doors, surely.
Yeah. Sad news in South African football. In fact, since we've followed football, because we are not that old.
Yeah.
We've known SuperSport, and SuperSport has had us. Me and you, both me and you. Had me more, but yeah.
Well, SuperSport Young Niggas.
Yeah,
you can't forget
it's sad, man, for South African football. Again, we find ourselves in this position where.
But it's sad, but at the same time, it's good for football.
It hasn't been what I don't like. It's this thing of Uti, because it shows Uti. South African football is just all about money.
Yeah.
There are teams which are in business. You talked about the business model, Chiefs. With other teams, they want more when it comes to Chiefs. About trading Abadlal with Chiefs. It's business.
Yes.
The Pirates is in business.
Yes.
I can't talk about many teams. He still is in business. You can see they make profit.
Yeah.
But you find teams like who they just buy status.
Yes.
And a lot of teams.
So yeah, you're correct. They buy status, but they don't have like that business model they wanna live with. Go into the team.
Yes. True.
What you trying to achieve on the team?
It's easy to tell us, Uguti, I want to bring back that culture. Because you think it's just like when you start a business and you say, I have a market here. But that market is not really tested. Well, always if they don't react to what you are giving them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, in as much as we are sad,
Because
but we
the
have to
super sport,
accept
because the super sport, they were making money.
it.
Because they were surplus for
Yeah.
the Sundowns.
Sometimes we even call them in development.
Yeah, Sundowns. So they
I
were
don't
making
know
money.
why. What happened?
Nah, I don't know. I have no idea.
Yeah, ne? Hey, but yeah.
But
Here we are.
we're looking at the new team that's coming.
Yeah, Siwelele
Siwelele
guys.
FC.
They even
I just hope the
they
business
even
model.
have the locals and
Yes.
everything
I
now.
just hope the business model of Siwelele is it's not because they have many fans. Then that, yeah, well, but maybe
or just to cover the fan base. Because in as much as Siwelele, they have, or Bloemfontein Celtics had fans that were loyal to them. Remember one thing, the teams from Joes, they still have more fans
more
than
fans. Yeah.
Siwelele. So my point is, you may not feel the stadium
Yeah.
if you play the small teams, especially. You may feel the stadiums if you play bigger teams because they come up with their own fans as well. But the small
Celtic will still be Celtic.
Exactly.
You know. But yeah, it's a sad one, but a good one for Celtic. It's Free State. Free State people to actually have a team, like Celtic.
Yeah, but yeah, honestly speaking, economy wise, it looks like they're gonna be boosted
proper.
Because knowing Celtics, it was a bigger thing there in Free State. Yes. Yeah. So hey, I heard that the owner is the son of
Minister of Sport.
Aye.
Good name. Good name. But mina,
what's your take?
Ngizwile nami lento. But ngabe sengiyabuka ukuthi okay, they are saying okay, team immediately aba involved with politics. Every business asekhaya owanika ingane yakhe.
Yeah.
Oldest son. Yabo. And then the oldest son it's more like if ngabe siphuma nathi ukuthi bazosinika izinto. But because we love soccer, and then we get an opportunity of buying a team. Whether ubaba wakho uyayithanda, it could be a coincidence ukuthi ubaba ukusport.
But I think it's unfair somehow. One thing Gaten said, that was last year. He said that Bloemfontein Celtic is gonna come back.
Oh yeah, I remember.
You remember those words? Okay.
I get the better. I know what I'm Free State.
Tell me what again. Yeah, it doesn't make sense that way. But when point, he said that, and now he's saying, because I saw the video, Wuti is not attached and whatnot.
But it's a family team. It's a family team.
Do you believe that?
It's a family team, God. It's a family team. Now gonna because there was a time I remember sitting to Abuya party, to Abu businessmen, massive Free State.
Yes.
They're coming together to ensure ukuthi yabo chiki isabuya ngaleyo ndlela sibuya ngithenga ngane yakhe. Obviously there's no nyawo lona. There's something off. I don't know, guys. What's your take?
Let us know about
Celtic owner.
Yes, ownership of Israel. What do you think?
Yeah. For them to come back, I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
But the way they came.
So what's the strategy? Where are they gonna get players? They're taking super sport players or what?
Yeah, they have to take everything. There are some which have already left.
Okay. They must cook with them.
Yes.
Okay.
They will build from that.
All right.
Yes.
Moving
on. We had some sad news, Shame. Okay, before I touch on the sad news, Banyana, they starting their AFCON journey on Monday. They playing Ghana.
You're going to AFCON. Who AFCON?
Okay, you have called, but
You AFCON.
okay, yeah, you have called. They're
Uh-huh.
starting the AFCON
Yeah.
on Monday. Do you think they will defend their title? Because they are the defending champions.
Aish. The problem is we never thought they might win it. So previous one. Yeah.
Yeah, but now we know they are capable.
Yeah, now we know they're capable. So obviously, we want them to defend it.
Yeah.
But if they can't, we expect them to push outside the group stages or even semis or something. You know.
Okay. Uma group stages, they have Tanzania and Mali.
And
okay, Ghana is the first game. Do you think they will make it?
I think the difficult
Without Utembi Katlana, who's got
hey, the pace.
league.
I think
Yeah.
looking at that group, they can actually survive. They can win Tanzania and Mali. They might draw with Ghana, or even surprise us with the win.
But Banyana is a strong team, yes.
Yes.
I think the teams that
But
they compete with in Africa,
Nigeria
and Morocco.
Morocco.
Yes. Mina, I see them
But
with ease. Maybe Ghana is a little bit of a challenge.
Yes, the two they will win.
Yeah.
So I see them going through the last 16. But without Utem, because Utem there was time where Maubuala previous born without her, Ivan. We needed her individual brilliance.
Yeah.
And then Walimala what up. So Walimala during
yes.
We'll be up back.
No, I think he didn't finish that competition.
Yes. So survivor ngakho.
Yeah.
Ngibonile kubuyebo former captain Banu Jane. Ujane or Bujane, I don't know how they call her. So we're cooking there. I trust they'll make us proud.
And the new ones.
Yeah.
I saw one girl, got her name Amokelang or something.
Yes. So those girls are cooking.
So
we'll see Monday how they do.
Okay. We wish them all the best.
Yeah, Banyana make us proud.
Yeah. We're rooting for you guys.
Yeah.
You know the culture. It's just winning.
Yeah.
In closing, man, hey, we had some bad news yesterday. In fact, we were talking about this thing on our way. Yeah. About the passing of a lot of people, public figures, but let's start off with Jota and his brother Andres Silva.
But there's nothing one can say that would make the situation better. So it's just to send condolences to families, to the Liverpool family, the fans.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I saw a good gesture that the Liverpool fans were doing. They went to a stadium and Babelama Flowers.
I saw I saw the Portugal ladies. They were playing. Is on Baba Shai 5 is Spain. But after the game, they had a big board in the stadium with his name and then I saw Chelsea. I don't know which teams. I think I saw Chelsea. I'm not sure about Madrid, but a few teams before they started training. Yes, they had a moment of silence type of thing. So it's unfortunate. So
yeah, guys, say rest in peace.
So obviously the football fraternity
and his brother. We don't know much about his brother, but Jota, we know Jota.
Yeah,
he was scoring goals for fun. Yeah.
The sad part, he just got married.
Yeah, man.
So
yeah,
very terrifying.
Yeah, man. Very terrifying. Family.
But yeah.
Hey, we're not supposed to laugh. And the former deputy president of the country.
You rest in peace to former age. We're from the same province. Was my premier back then, that deputy president, Titi Mabus. Rest in peace to the former president.
Sure.
From Football Fusion.
Yeah, we send our condolences, man. I hope you will go to a funeral back home.
I'm out of here, my guy. bafethu mina I'm out of here bafethu sikaze sidabukise izinto yokuhlungu cela like share subscribe Football Fusion. We'll see you soon.
Peace.
Danko.